Hey girl, today I'm going to show you how to wax your brows with hard wax. This is how they look, I want to say about a month without waxing them, like maybe 3 weeks. But I'm going to show you how to wax your brows with hard wax. So I'm just gonna dive right into it. Usually wax my brows, like I wanna say like every 2 weeks before they get like too out of hand. Like I don't usually let this much new growth come in and but I started to notice that like when I do my makeup, my brows just get wider and wider to kind of make up for the new growth that's underneath here. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and wax them and stop being lazy. So I'm gonna show you how to wax them. I've been waxing my brows, I wanna say for a couple years now. I'm not a professional, but I just remember the very last time that I went into a nail salon to get my brows waxed, I was like, I tried to explain to her, like, okay, I want my brows like this. Like, trying to explain to her. She didn't speak English, Lord. And after she waxed my brows, they were so paper thin and they were shaped like this, like the McDonald's arches. I was like, you know what? Let me learn, let me try to wax my brows on my own. Like, or at first I was trying to pluck, but it hurts. Like, and waxing, it's like one and done, and it's easy. So I think I've been pretty good over the years. I'm not a professional, so please, I wax my brows with a Gigi wax warmer, and I just have honey wax. So yeah, once the consistency is actually of honey like this is how you want it. Like, you do not want it to be like a watery consistency, because you can literally burn your skin off. I just use the normal like wooden sticks that you get from like Sally's. So this will be, just for beginners. If this is your first time waxing, what you want to do is kind of carve out the hair that you want to stay there. Basically, so I'm going to show you how to do that first. And then, so I got a little mirror here, so bear with me. And I got just a regular pencil. Like, it does not have to be perfect. This is just your guide to what stays and what's gone, basically. So brush your hairs up with a brow brush, like so. Brush them up really good. Make sure they're all in the same direction. And then we're just going to take the pencil and draw on what stays. So what's staying? Okay, you see there? Everything on top and on the bottom is getting waxed. I got my hair tied up because I don't want no wax. I don't want to get no wax in this weave, okay? Okay, so the wax is ready. I got wooden sticks from Sally's. They're literally like 40 cents each. Or probably like, no, I think they're like 10 cents. But anyway, so this is my can of wax that I use. So I don't really care about like double dipping because I'm the only one that uses this can. But with the Gigi wax warmer, it's really easy to replace the can. So that's no big deal anyway. All right, so let's get started. All right, so got some on the wooden stick. So just wipe the excess off on the sides and try not to get it all stringy because it's gonna get everywhere. So don't wear no good clothes while you do this, please. It's messy, but it's okay. Like, a finished product it's gonna be like bomb. You see that, girl? See, it's stringy. I'm not a professional, okay? So we're just gonna wait till this gets hard. Once it gets hard, you'll be able to like tap on it and it's not really like as shiny. So just give it a minute to harden. It's still a little sticky. All right, so it's ready to peel off. It's probably only been like not even a minute, but you lift up just the edge of it, make like a little tab, and then you peel it off in one go. Like, like so. And then as you can see, wait. I don't know if you can see that, but a lot of hair was ripped off. It's not focusing on this little strip, but pretty much all of this is now gone. Wiping off the excess and not getting these little freaking strings everywhere like I'm doing, because you know, you're gonna do it right. All right, so now we're just going above the top. So uh-oh. And then just bring it back, girl. Bring it back. Like so. See, that's why I'm wearing a headscarf, because I can't get it on this weave, okay? So just give that a minute to dry. And then I'm gonna put a little more right there. Okay, so this one is ready. So again, we're gonna do the same thing where we lift up a little tab and then just peel the whole thing off. Oh, this one wants to break while I'm recording it, okay. But anyway, lift up a little tab, peel it off really fast, ow. And I don't know if you can see that, but, well, as you can see, like there's no more hair like all over above the line anymore. So we're done with this one. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, same thing. Okay. Just try to bring it back in one swoop, if that makes sense. Oh shit. Okay, I'm getting a little crazy on the wax, but I didn't mean for it to drip down like that, but you know, same thing, same thing. Lord. So anyway, waiting for that to dry. I got a little crazy with it. Okay, pull the other side. I don't know if you could see that, but I got a lot off. And then same thing with the other one. Okay, so got this side done. Going across the top. And then just drag it to the back. Drag it to the back. All right, so wait on that to dry. It'll get hard. Okay, so that's how you wax your brows with hard wax using a GG wax warmer and their honey wax. So now your brows are ready to be filled in, face ready to get beat for the day. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like as well, and tell your friends about me, girl. Okay, bye. So I just wiped off the brow liner so you can just see how they look without it. Definitely a lot better than what they looked like before.